Okay, so welcome to the Node.js Node add-on API team meeting for January 3rd, 2025. Um, I will bring up the board. Here's the board. I'll share it. And we can dive in. Okay, so anything on the done that people want to point out or mention?
I think was to point out that version 10 was landed last week.
Okay, great. So that's in the upstream, right? And that's good.
Y- Yeah,
Okay. Definitely good. If anybody's looking to use some of those new features, you'll have to define like opt into version 10, but it's good. Okay, if that's everything from done, that's definitely a good one. In terms of have a PR and nappy thread safe function is hard to use. Still being the holiday, we don't have Gabriel, so I don't know if there's anything to chat about here. I think yeah, so this is the PR that was opened. I see, Vladimir, you took a look and made some comments. Anything we should discuss on that one?
no, I made this comment a long time ago. It most about style. Just the rest is, I didn't look for it.
Okay.
Would be interesting to see unit tests, but we discussed last time. But maybe it's difficult to write. I don't know.
Okay, so basically we're just waiting for the original poster to address the comments on that one. Where am I back to this one here? Okay, in progress. Any of these we should dive into? I think
Yeah,
I know this. You were
still in
asking us to
progress.
take a look at this one. I didn't get a chance before I took off, but good. Sorry, go ahead.
I still didn't clean up the code. Like I'm still in progress. Like so, please don't look at it yet.
Okay.
After our last discussion, I remember I was talking about the special structs uh, for callbacks and stuff. Like I'm actually might change right now, which is in progress. I'm removing it. So I think like you guys right. Whether we need to make it simple as possible.
Okay. Um, so this one, anything? Okay, I think that's the one for the PR we just talked about. And this one. See, Kevin has dug into it a little bit.
I think it's still in progress. Kevin said that he's still working on it.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so then in to do, these are ones that aren't necessarily started. Anything on those that people have us to discuss? Sorry, Chenzong, if you said something, I didn't quite hear it.
I said I don't have any.
Nope. Okay, sounds good. And then so that leaves really this one here, which needs triage. Let's see. This was open
Yeah,
yesterday. Okay.
this one is pretty new and it needs a route to chain to reproduce locally. So I think it will need to set up a local reproduction.
Okay. And this is in a really okay in the thread safe destructors. So, process issue.
Guys, I'm not sure if this pull request is related to the issue because the function was not the finalized of the function was not invoked by garbage collector.
Right.
So I'm not sure if they are related. So probably need a local reproduction with a Rust toolchain.
Right. Is there a, okay, so if you want to run, so okay, so basically you can, right. I guess it'd be like they've done some triaging, so it would be, I don't know how easy it is to revert this one. Probably not that easy. Just that would be like if we could undo this change, then we would figure out whether it was related or not. That's probably not that easy to do, is it?
After this change, we had so many other changes on top
Yeah,
of it,
no, I know exactly. Yeah.
with new node.js environment and stuff. Well, if it was thread safe function, it's only probably changes inside of node API CC, which might affect it. I don't know. Is there anything I've done?
Right. Then this one,
Yeah. Mm, change.
and check GC access. Is that related at all to the,
That check is just checking the environment type. It's not affecting how the finalizer is being invoked.
right. It's interesting. It's in a worker, it looks like, right?
Yeah. Why do we free environment from the worker?
Each worker has its own dedicated environment. So when a worker shuts down, the relevant environment will be deleted as well. So each worker has its own API environment instance for each module. So this is probably related to how the finalizer is being invoked at environment shutdown.
Yep.
Yeah, if you like, I can look at it, but yeah, like I said, I'm traveling next week. I'm not able to finish up investigation before next meeting, but yeah, if 2 weeks should be okay, I can do it.
Okay. Maybe I'll say.
Oh, VM.
That's all. Yeah. If anybody else has some cycles and wants to take a look in the meantime, that's good too, but that's, yeah, it'd be good. Yeah, like basically this is always the tricky part, like there's the because this is like we're basically going through probably the list of thread safe functions, right? At the end of the when that
And,
environment's cleaned up. Yep.
and you see this call stack that don't have any node API code. We're talking about node environment, so technically it's not
Right.
the API environment, it's node one. So it seems like
Yes.
call stack doesn't even have our code. We just I don't know, maybe there's some kind of race condition between like out cleanup versus node environment cleanup. It may be related to what another issue we just like Kevin is looking at.
Yeah, unless are the Like, do we use the ref like this? Does this ref tracker or track finalizer end up getting used, I wonder, in some way? But I guess we would have seen that. Should have seen some of this on the stack, maybe. Is that anyway? Yeah, I guess we need to look a little bit more depth.
Yeah, since it relates to my PR, I
Okay.
I should check.
Sounds good. Okay, back to backlog. Here we go. Okay, so we'll put that there. I guess any other things we should chat about this week? Seems like it's a pretty quiet time, which is good. Okay, if not, well, thanks for jumping in on some people's vacations, and we'll see everybody next week when we're back into the regular business.
See you. Happy New Year.
Okay, see everybody
See you.
later. Yep, bye.